Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
One particular direction which is immediately relevant to us is that all states have been asked to constitute an expert team of doctors and other experts for visiting the dedicated COVID hospitals of the states. In our case, it is one COVID hospital of ESI. To visit, to see the system there and to give recommendations to the government regarding the functioning of the dedicated COVID hospital. So this is a direction that the Supreme Court has given to all the states. Accordingly, we have also constituted a committee. The Honorable Supreme Court has mandated that all dedicated COVID hospitals shall permit one willing attendant of the patient in the hospital premise who can remain in an area earmarked by the hospital. Looking after in the sense, not in the sense of a bedside attendant, but somebody from the family, relatives, friends, anybody, any willing attendant. That's what the Honorable Supreme Court says. Testing will be done before declaring a patient as cured only in the case of severe patients who are at one point severe, who had severe conditions, who were serious. And then, of course, naturally their conditions have become better. That is when you decide, the doctor decides to test them again to see whether they are still COVID positive or not. Only in those cases, and that too one test before discharge, before declaring that person cured, the policy says after clinical recovery and after the patient is tested negative once by RT-PCR. This is in the case of patients who were at some point severe, who were serious. In the case of all other patients, and what is extremely relevant to us is asymptomatic patients. Asymptomatic patients, mildly symptomatic patients, the Honorable Supreme Court has stipulated that the discharge policy should be in line with what the ministry proposes, which is that if for 10 consecutive days, if a person is asymptomatic, person is exhibiting no signs of COVID symptoms, then the person without any test should be declared cured and should be told to move on 7 days of home isolation, 7 days of home quarantine, you can call it. So this is what the policy of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is, dated 8th of May. And as the Supreme Court order has come now, it becomes binding on all the states and the union territories. We will of course wait till the MHA order comes, because the direction specifically is to the Ministry of Home Affairs. In Chimbil ward number?
Shirin ward.
Yes, that is right. Been declared as the containment zone. We are continuing our testing there. We are keeping very close monitoring, not just in Chimbil, but in all our other micro containment and containment zones. So we are closely watching the situation every day. We are taking swabs, we are testing them. So yes, we are definitely vigilant about this particular containment zone.
नव्या आरोग्य केंद्रातली नर्स कोरोना दुयेती
ती बेश्टी टेस्ट करूंक गेलो कोणी पॉझिटिव्ह मेळ्ळा म्हळ्यार भिवपा कांय ना, सिरियसनेस कांय ना म्हण ताका, कित्याक तेगे फॅमिलीकूय तेणें टेस्ट केला, घोव आहा जावं तिका भुरगीं आहाय, तांकां भुरग्यांकूय टेस्ट केला म्हळ्यार सगळीं नॅगेटीव येयले. सिरियसनेस कांय ना, ताका कांय ते कफ ना वो कांय सिमटम्स कांय नाय ताका. पूण आमी ते प्रिकॉशन घेवपा ती सेफ्टी लागून आयज आमी हिंगा सॅनिटायझेशन करपाक सांगिल्लें डॉक्टराक.
कुडतऱ्यांनी राया गांव सॅनिटायज केला.
सो ते प्रायवेट एजन्सीन सगळें सॅनिटायज केलें. आज ऑफिसून हे केलें थंय ऑफिस चॅपल कित्याक कपेलान दीस बदलूंक घेतालो आनी आमचें सकल ऑफिस आहा तें सॅनिटायज आनी कॉरिडर.
आनी ताका लागून आमी प्रिकॉशन्स घेवन आमचे चर्चीचे थोडे येताले, ताका लागून लोक कोण येता म्हूण प्रेयर रुमा बीन येता पूण आमी तें सॅनिटायज करून घेतला. ते भायर इस्कुलां भुरग्यां मायपा येताले ह्या दिसांनी, सो स्कूलूय सॅनिटायज करून घेयला आमी. आनी आतां आमी मानोराय वयतात, ते चॅपलां ते तो एक पेशंट म्हाजे मानोरा चॅपलां भोगले, सो तेंय आमी सॅनिटायज करता आनी अरावंड दॅट एरिया जे पॉझिटिव्ह मेळल्या ते एरियांनी मातशें सॅनिटायज आमी करता.
सेलिब्रिटी इन्फिनिटी क्रुजा वेल्यान आयिल्ले 1450 तारवटींची कोविड टेस्ट नेगेटिव्ह.
And based on the report, further statutory clearances like custom clearance, because custom has to clear the baggages of these seafarers. Thereafter, the immigration clearance, and then they will be sent to the quarantine as per the laid down SOP.